Hello, Chef here. What do we got going on? Oh, this is just a little bit of superfood. Combination of things, actually. We've got garlic, mushrooms, spinach, kale, plum tomatoes, Cajun spice seasoning, and a few other things in there. Wow, that's going to be good. This could be served as a side dish for stuffing or for chicken, turkey. You could even stuff lettuce leaves, whatever you want to. But anyway, add this to your diet, this kind of food here. And if you want more information, just search superfoods on the channel once you subscribe. This is the spinach I'm using today. Just a real quick rundown on it as to why it's good. It's very rare to find organic food these days that's truly organic. Not just a little sticker or stamp on there, but this is all the ingredients, all the dates and times and everything, freshness, where it comes from. I like that. All right, this is from Salinas, California. I trust them. Scan for nutrition. I don't like that at all. This is ridiculous. What about people without smartphones? They don't know what the nutrition is. Nutrition should be presented clearly on the front of the package or even the back of the package. There's nothing on there, of course. But anyway, this is beautiful baby spinach. Triple washed, non-GMO, so they tell us. Yeah, but this is beautiful, beautiful little baby spinach. Look at this stuff here. So yeah, search this out in your grocery store. Buy the fresh stuff. It's got to be nice and fresh. Chop it up yourself. Don't buy the frozen spinach. It's a waste of time. This is not expensive. You just got to find it. USDA organic. Yeah, you got to question that sometimes. What I like about this is the packaging. It says 30% less plastic. The way that they did it, the easy open seal, is kind of nice. It's not real thick. The plastic is thin, which is good. And recycle your plastic. Search superfoods on the channel. Subscribe. Oh, yeah. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation. And also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around. The seed specks, which you can already see, are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow. Beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good.
Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.